when I clean an engine bay, I like to hit it with a degreaser and let it soak for a little bit. Using Purple Power, Super Clean's another general engine degreaser. As you can tell, it's fine to hit electrical connections and hoses and belts and batteries and things with the soap and water. It's all made to withstand, splashing and water in the engine bay, sealed watertight connections and whatnot, and it's a low voltage system. So just degrease it really good, let it soak for a little bit, spray it off, hose it good, and you can see right after the service the vehicle started right up, no problem. Pulling it back over into the shop here, where not really necessary, but I'm going to go ahead and blow it off with some air, get the water out of the nooks and crannies where I can. That'll kind of help. Getting it dry will help dirt and stuff to not be attracted and accumulate again. You can wipe it down with the rag. Dealers will hit all the plastic with Armor All and whatnot to make it look shiny and pretty, but that can actually attract more dirt down the road. So I just like to wipe it off and get it clean again. Having a clean engine makes it easier to find problems and to work on it. So again, pretty easy. I hope you found that useful. I appreciate you watching. I hope you like and subscribe.